Hello Virgo, welcome to my channel. This is your weekly career, business and money reading from 23rd to 29th November. Now being a general reading, not all messages might resonate, so keep whatever resonates. Now this reading is about what opportunities could present itself, Virgo, in this coming week in terms of your career, business or money situation, or what obstacles or glitches you could face, so if at all, so that you can handle them better. So this is sun sign and moon sign based, so check the other video as well. So let's start, Virgo. I'll close this video with the angel messages. Start with the tarot. So spirits and guides, angels and guides, please help. Universe, spirits and guides in general energies of Virgo career, business, money situation. Okay, one more shuffle. Four of Swords, Six of Swords, Four of Wands, King of Wands, the Justice, and the Hermit. Virgo, this is your energy. Virgo, Hermit card, Virgo. So Virgo, you are thinking about how to be victorious, how to be successful, how to achieve your goals, how to put in the best foot forward and get this victorious being victorious in your career, in your business, in your money situation. You're giving it a lot of thought. You're waiting for blessings to hear from the divine here. You are using spiritual growth also, as well as you yourself thinking getting back to this victorious position here, wherein you should be acknowledged, for your work. Not only that, monetary benefits, raise, step up position, all that comes with this victory card. So you're thinking about it, how to get it in a fast paced manner. You do not want to wait more. You want to put all, you will be putting all the hard work, like superhuman efforts you are gonna put, Virgo, to get this victorious card. You long working hours you are ready to put in this situation, but you want victory at any cost and you want it fast. This is what you want, to regain the balance that you had lost in this previous weeks. That's what I get here for some of you here. So either in your job, profession, whatever be it, you are putting superhuman efforts and you want success. Now some of you, Virgo, could get married or could attend a wedding here, but this is also a card of partnership, deals coming through, some projects coming through. Finally it's a legal stamped deal coming through. It could be, some of you could be dealing with either buying houses or something related to your homes. That's what I get here. It could be anything, or buying a four-wheel car or something like that. And some of you could be traveling to attend a marriage, to attend a family function with your family. So it could it could burn a hole in your pocket in terms of your finances here. So King of Wands, this is your energy. You are fiery, passionate, very focused. This time you know that there is no, and you are willing to take risk. This is also a card of willing to take some, and risk is also calculated risk, so that it pays off. You do not so calculated risk is always less riskier. That's what I would tell here. So this is your energy, King of Wands. So putting in all the effort, putting in all the hard work, putting everything. You want the realization of your wishes. You want success. So you are working towards nurturing whatever you are doing, whether it's in your job situation, business. You want to nurture your ideas, your like a child, and grow it big, and bring success, bring growth, bring abundance to yourself. The Justice card. So yes, definitely you could be dealing with some legal matters. It is not bad actually. It could be like dealing with legal matters. It could be related to your home life, family life, issues related to inheritance, property, to marriage. Some of you so any legal matter. Also it could just be signing contracts, documents for rental, leases, buying, selling, anything like that. Second card is like, if you have been wronged for something in your company or in your workplace, it seems that justice is coming for you. You will, if you have been wronged and you were right, if there was an office politics placed against you, justice will come to you here. So justice card is like fairness coming to you here. The truth coming to, if you are fair. Also, it's a card that you need to be good to you, the people with whom you work, to be accountable for your action. Do not take law in your hands. That also it comes, abide by the law. That's also the meaning of the card. Now the Hermit. Now here in career, business, money situation, you are trying to introspect. What could be done. You are not very happy looking at your balance sheet, the condition. I do not see any pentacle card here. You're not very happy looking at your balance sheet or your accounts, in your bank account. So you're trying to introspect. Also, you are not happy with the current position you are in at your office or at your business, the current situation. So you are trying to introspect. You are trying to find a way. You are trying, So it's like finding answers, finding solutions, looking within. What is that you need to change? What is that the way things will move towards success, towards growth. So it is an introspection also you will be doing, and you will be working towards it. That is what you will change the way you were. After this, maybe you will get an enlightenment suddenly one day, an awakening, which will lead you, to how to go about, how to move forward, how to go about, so that you get success that you want. The success that you want, whether it's for short term or long term goal. That's what yeah. There is card of travel, so some of you are traveling, also meeting lot of people. You could be attending webinars, seminars, meeting different people related to work here. Although I see a mini vacation also for some of you here, Virgo. So this is it for this week. Let me just pull out an angel guidance card. I do not see any pentacle card, Virgo, here. So whatever income has been coming will come. Yes, of course, there is this, you are working towards better finances, that I can assure you. So this is your angel guidance. New beginnings. So definitely some good news, some new beginnings coming to all of you. So all the best. Do take care. Very nice. Begin your new life. So this is it. If you do like my readings, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share. Thank you so much and stay blessed.